Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So another order has arrived, and this one is going to be food related. Well, of course, we cook food with it, so we were actually impressed by the delivery this time because it was really quick. Like, it did not take 2 weeks to arrive. So this is the product that, oh my god. Okay, so this is the product that I'm talking about. It's kind of huge. I need to open it. So this came from Family Fuss. Family FUS. That's the name of the shop in SHOPEE. And it was delivered through JNT Express. And I ordered this because I wanted to cook cheesy food, the one with melted cheese and also SAMGYUPSAL. I didn't really want to go to the stores anymore because of course there's an ongoing crisis or pandemic right now, and it's a lot safer to eat at home with the family because of course we can also bring the kids outside, so it's more fun to eat at home with the family in a complete. So that's why I'm buying this electric barbecue grill with hot pot. The good thing about this product is you can also prepare soup beside the grill. So I'm gonna open this now. Okay. So it's wrapped with bubble wrap and it has a fragile tag. So the box is kind of torn apart already. I did not do that. It was already like that when I opened the bubble wrap. So I hope the insides are okay. Okay, so here you go. Alright, so I wanted to use the ring light that we have, but it won't work anymore, so that's a sign that we need to have another one, a bigger one. Anyway, so for now, let's just bear with the sunlight. This is what the product is. It's a huge grill, and I think it's a Japanese product. It's DK807. That's the model number. So inside are styrofoams, of course, to protect your grill. Medyo lisod na siya yan. Okay. So, oh my god! I think it's broken. The handle is missing. I hope it's inside. Well, here you go. I spoke too soon, so okay. The parts are just safe in the hot pot. So this is the cover. It has a screw and a handle. Okay. So this is how the product looks like. I'm gonna tear the plastic. So I think this is the control knob, and someone's coming. I think it's Kitty. Alright. I don't know what this is yet. So this is the grill. It needs cleaning, and this is the hot pot at the side. So I think it's made of ceramic. I'm not really sure. The manual is all Japanese, guys. I don't know how to read this. Perhaps there's another video in YouTube which I can watch how to assemble this, but this is how it looks at the bottom. This is the one at the side where you connect the cord, I believe. Oh, okay. Alright, so it's a bit easy because this has 2 holes here. So I think this goes here. Yeah, so it goes directly inside. There you go. It's a perfect fit. So if you're cooking, the knob will be facing you, and then you just suck this right away to the outlet. Okay, somehow the knob is also Japanese. So, but it has numbers anyway, so you can identify. Careful.
This.
Yes, Kitty. Wait, so Kitty, I'm still vlogging. Kitty, go up. Stay with Daddy. Ah, okay. So here at the side, there's a space here at the side for this. I think it's for the oil. I hope I'm doing this right. This is so difficult to vlog. It doesn't fit. Huh? No. Anak, side? Ah, side. Okay. I think it's side, love. Is it supposed to fit? Oh yeah, it's supposed to fit, guys. So it's going to be difficult to put inside the first time. But yeah, it fits if you insert it like this. I think oil drops here after using. Okay. It's kind of hard. Woo, this is tough. You look. Yeah, so I can't push it through. I can't push the entire thing through, so for excess oil. And then this is the catcher, the one that I placed inside. I hope it goes all the way inside. And I think that's going to be it. We have not tried this, of course, because it just arrived. So let me open this as well so that we can fix the cover. Okay, what was that? Alright, so this is the hot pot cover. Just need to put this. Be careful because bildo siya, it may break. So anak na siya, then put in the screw. And there's a small plastic which you need to put here. Yeah, I think I'm doing it right. If I'm not right, please correct me. So you need to just twist here. You need a screwdriver for this. I'm just using my hands. But yeah, we'll just fix this downstairs later on. Right? So I guess that's it. I broke my nail. And this cover goes here. Ta-da! So that is our new grill and hot pot from SHOPEE. So let me check how much this costs. I think this was 700 plus. Okay, let me check SHOPEE right now. Korean SAMGYUPSAL cooking 2-in-1 electric barbecue grill with hot pot style shabu shabu. It's worth $699, only 699 pesos. So there's only one variant that you can choose. Okay, and its size is 54.5 by 24 by 11.5 cm. So it has 8 seconds quick heat capability, and it's indoor smokeless barbecue, right? So it's also non-stick and easy to clean. It has big capacity. Of course, you saw how big this is. It can fit many food products there if you want to cook it through the grill, and of course the hot pot. You can use it for your shabu shabu. And then products include 1 barbecue and hot pot machine, 1 pot lid, and 1 cable. So again, that's 699 pesos. And I paid 160 pesos for the shipping fee here in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any questions about the product I purchased, please do leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell as well so that you'll be updated of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. I hope to see you next time. God bless and take care. Bye!